Look at this fucking shit, dude. Holy fuck. If you can't fucking see it, there's like a shit ton of birds. It's like something straight out of the fucking Crow. I shit you not. Hopefully they'll move here in a minute and you will see like a wave. Cause there are like a ton of them on top of this shelter today. All you need is one big loud freaking noise to startle them. There you go. Holy fuck God. It's like a scene straight out of the fucking Crow, I swear to God. You know what the sad thing is? I see this almost every single fucking morning. I wish I could zoom in more, but I can't. They're all moving on. It's just like this gigantic wave of birds. There goes some more. Yeah, they're all scattering now. One bird's scattering all the rest of them. But this is like almost every morning out here. You gotta see the lines are kind of weird. It's because they got birds on them. It is absolutely nuts. This is not even half of the freaking flock. Like, maybe like a third of it just left. And that is just the craziest fucking thing.